Good day everyone. In today's video, we're going to look at how I created this project. I've been 3D printing all this time and I just thought, hey, wouldn't it be cool if I can make some of my figurines move? So let's take a look at how I made it happen. Since this project is based after a video game called Old School Runescape, I hopped on the game, took a screenshot of character models from the game, removed the background. I then uploaded the picture to Matter Control, which turned the image into a 3D model. Technically, this one-piece model was not going to help us. I needed to create the shoulder and the sword separately from the model. I then designed this pivoting point for the shoulder where the service motor is going to be attached to. After that, I made some holes in the models for that cylinder to pass through. And then we just printed the models. Good thing I printed extra cylinders ahead of time because I knew they were gonna snap, and they did snap. And here we have our first prototype. Yeah, my painting skills are not the greatest. Plus this looks like somebody had too much Taco Bell. Since you saw my painting skills, I truly shouldn't be holding a power tool. If I can direct your attention on my slippers, as you can see my foot doesn't fit inside them. That board that I cut is where our models are going to be, but not to make it too boring, I'm gonna make a background for it. I use just a regular glue stick to glue the background to the board. Oh yeah, almost forgot. I need to print the hit splat and the skull. The skull wasn't designed by me. I will leave credit in the description. Hit splat was done by me. Up next, I drilled some holes in the board so that the rotating cylinder can pass through and just attach to the shoulder. Well, this morning I was greeted by this stupid mess that my printer left. I'm not sure what happened. Yeah. Right, I forgot to mention, this was a base for the board to sit on. It also has my YouTube handle on so that people can find my channel. Click like, subscribe, thank you. But yeah, this is where the board is going to be sitting on so that the whole board doesn't fall over. Up next, we have this electronic component kit that I picked up from Amazon for 40 bucks. This will allow us to connect our service motor to the model shoulder. Now I will be connecting everything together, including the LEDs, the motors, to finalize the project. What do you think of the actual project? Would you spend a week doing this? I believe that's how long it took me to do it. No, this is my first time using the Arduino boards and attempting to write any code. I did have to get ChatGPT to help me out here. It does feel like a little bit dirty saying ChatGPT because it's almost like a taboo word, isn't it? It's almost like people before were making fun of other people by saying, hey, why don't you just Google it, you know? So, you know, it's like, but the fact that, you know, there's people using ChatGPT, you don't want to be the only person without a calculator in a math exam, right? I'm actually sweating. It's been like a week since I started doing this project. I don't know what's about to happen. I'm about to launch this program, and I don't know, this Arduino hopefully will do the magic. Hopefully we'll do the rest. I don't know, I'm nervous. Okay, I'm gonna plug it in and we're gonna see what's gonna happen. But first of all, hold on. Nothing has exploded yet. Good sign. Good sign. All right. Okay. I'm supposed to Control A, delete. Actually, let me turn off the light because of the glare. Right. Okay, that doesn't help because there's a light on here. Anyway, but you get the idea. I'm currently I'm pasting the code. We're gonna click Sketch, Verify Compile. Compile done compiling, meaning it is supposed to be working. And all I have to do is click Upload. I'm scared. Upload. No way. That is hilarious. That's so good. Oh no. Oh boy. That is awesome. I'm so happy. Oh, I'm about to throw up. Well, there you have it. This is a week-long project that came to an end. I think this is my best work yet. I know it looks very simple, but again, it took me a week to do it, so it's definitely a really happy moment for me when all the electronic components did what they were supposed to be, doing. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video if you made it this far. If you like it, please click a like, and if you have something to say about the video, don't be shy, leave a comment. Alrighty, I'll see you in the next one.